Hey, how you doing? And welcome to Bills Club TV. My name is Jonathan Medina, and I'm a stay-at-home entrepreneur. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and just show you this right here. The simple car right here is making us hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Let me explain to you how. So basically, what we do, we promote this business from home, and you're gonna get your own personal link and stuff like that. So basically, you can make $20 over and over again. Let me explain how. So basically, if you get 5 people a day to receive this car, you can make $100 because you're making $12 per person. So now, if you get 10 people, that's 200. If you get 20 people, that's 400. You see what I mean? So now, in order for you to make that first 20, you're gonna have to make the first purchase, right? So the way this is gonna work is that you're gonna get in touch with me. I'm gonna go ahead and send you a dollar. That way you can go to like a 7-Eleven or a dollar store and buy like a pack of gum or a soda, and right there you're gonna automatically make the 20. Now, if you use your first purchase and it's still pending, that means that you either went to a store that the process takes longer, but you will receive the $20 automatically. But the best part about it is that you don't have to wait to start making money. Once you get approved, all you gotta do is just start sharing your link with other people, and I'm gonna show you how. So now when you go into this website right here, just go and scroll down and check out what they offer, what are the different things that this opportunity does offer for you, and the great service they have, right? All right, so let me go ahead and go to my back office real quick. Okay, so this is my back office, and normally I always leave a couple hours right there, but what I do is I already made in total $822, right? So basically, the way this works is, um, always want to leave money here for whoever will receive the car. All you gotta do is just send them a dollar, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. But let me go ahead and show you how it's so powerful, man. This thing's so powerful. So basically, like you see right here, I sent Jason a dollar. I sent him a dollar. He used it. He made 20. I made 20. Let me go down some more. See right here, I sent her Craig a dollar. I made 20. He made 20. Bum bum. See, all from a dollar investment. See, I sent her a dollar. I made 20. She made 20. See what I mean? So it's all right here. I do different apps too that makes money too. I mean, if you want to get a hold of me for that, you go and contact me for those. And I mean, I got different opportunities that I do. That's why I haven't been promoting this one like the way I used to. But I'm back at it again. So you see right here, a dollar right here, made 20. You see right here, I got 220s going in right here. It's awesome, man. This opportunity is awesome. I mean, it's self-explanatory, 220s right here, and so forth, right? So in order for you to send that dollar to them, right? In order for you to receive that dollar, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to transfer, right? And you're gonna install. You're gonna hit install. You're gonna go ahead and add them onto your simple card. I got all these people right here. Now, once you install, they give you the email and their phone number, you gotta make sure that they approve you, because I got some people right here still. If you notice, I still got some people here that haven't approved me yet, so I can't really send them a dollar until they approve me. I got a few people that still needs to get approved, but yeah, that's the way it works. So once they approve you, all you gotta do is just click on their name, and once you click on the name, you put the amount that you want to send them. Let's say I want to send them a dollar, go send, and I hit send, right? And once I hit send, they'll automatically receive a dollar. They go to a 7-Eleven or dollar store, buy a pack of gum or something, and boom, we both make the 20. It's that simple. And in order for you to get your link, it's gonna be right here. Click on there, and you say copy. Now, if you're not using a laptop, you're using your phone, it's gonna be on the left hand corner. You're gonna see, like I said, three lines. Click on that, scroll down, so it's gonna say share link. The same thing. You're gonna see the payment and transfer. Click on that. Put the email and phone number. Send them a dollar, and it's that simple. So always remember, once you make your first 20, if you want to use 10, 15, at least leave $5 in there, and that's it. And then you can start making money with this opportunity. It's that simple, guys. I mean, you can post on Facebook. What you're gonna do? You're gonna join different groups on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and just post it. Just start posting. Let me go. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a quick detail on that real quick. Let me get out of this. All right, so right here, see what's can some because like I said, I work different opportunities. So all right, so what you're gonna do is uh, you can always get a hold of me if you want to know more about the opportunities that I do. Everything that I do is legit. If it was not legit, I wouldn't be posting my face out there all over social media. You know, me, my family, and all that stuff. So basically, what I do is I go to, let's say, apps, right? So um, once you go into these apps, what you want to do, you want to join at least 10 different opportunity things. So like you just hit join all the ones you can with the big numbers on them. Join the one with the big numbers. I can't do it today because I already joined a few of them. Because you always want to join the 10 a day. You don't want to join more than that because then Facebook blocks you from using that feature. And you don't want that to happen. So now, once you post, are you gonna post on there like anybody looking for a way to make money from home? That's it. Anybody looking for making $20 over and over again? I mean, it's that self-explanatory. When people comment info, all you want them to do is, let me just give you a quick dun dun dun. Mm-hmm. Let me go into one of these real quick. Let me see which one should I go. Let me go to one I already commented. All right, right here. It was earlier. Uh, bum, 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 right? So I go into that page, and I post something simple, something like that. When they comment info, all I say is share it, then message me for detail, right? Because you want them to share it. And once they share it, they go ahead and inbox you that they want info, and they go. They'll ask for info, and then right here, look at prime and simple. This guy here joined under me. Shout out to him. And I just send him my information. I just ordered my card. I give him some details right here. All right, all you gotta do is just wait till you get your card, but you can start promoting. So then I got a hold of him today. Say bum bum. They say bum. So I start sharing the card, and I say okay, send me your link. That way I could make sure he's doing the right thing, got the right link and everything going. And I say, man, I've been all over the place with it. And that's the best thing about it, man. I mean, all you want to do is share it, and when people join, I say it's free $20, it's free money. You don't have to worry about all that stuff and about fees and none of that because it's all free money. So that's it. I mean, you go once you go in here, you're gonna be able to see all the details about this opportunity. You're gonna see all the features, all the things that they provide. I mean, it's a lot of things with this opportunity, man. It's a lot of things you could go check out. So I'm going to leave you with that. And remember, the link is below where it says share join simple. Click on that and it's going to take it to this page. It's going to say my name. Click on apply and let's take it from there. Now, once you receive this information, just go ahead and get in touch with me. You're going to go, if you see down below, you're going to see on Facebook. Join my Facebook, message me that you join, simple, and I'll be able to send you the information. All right, I'll be able to send you the training that you need to keep this thing going. All right, so God bless and hope to see you on the team.